Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, I'm so excited. I want to say I'm excited for this video, but I am beyond excited because you can probably tell by the title of this video, we have made 50,000 YouTube friends here on my channel and I seriously am overwhelmed. I woke up this morning, checked my phone and saw 50,000 of y'all now here on my YouTube channel, joining me in my everyday life and in my art and my passions. I wanted to do a thank you video slash giveaway, so I'll get into the giveaway in a second, but I just wanted to take this moment to seriously say thank you so much. If you have ever watched any of my videos, which I guess you would have if you subscribed, but thank you for subscribing and being a part of my channel and my daily life. I started YouTube a while back, maybe 3 or 4 years back, but I never really committed to it or to the idea that I could be doing this like as my normal everyday thing until about 2 years ago when Jason and I went on our honeymoon. I remember going on our honeymoon, I had less than 800 subscribers and I was just feeling really discouraged because I had been trying at YouTube for a couple of years and just never really hit my stride with it, but there were 800 friends that stuck with me through those first 2 years. So if you're one of those first 800, please leave me a comment down below because I seriously owe you everything for sticking with me as I tried to figure all of this stuff out. But since then, I have done thrifting, I've done fashion, we've done vlogs, you guys have gotten to go to Michigan with us, you've celebrated Christmas with us, you've celebrated birthday surprises with us, and I feel like you guys have been with me for a pretty long while now. I feel like 2 years is a pretty substantial amount of time to be in this small YouTube community, and so it just makes my absolute day that you choose to watch my videos, that you join me in my travel vlogs. And then more recently I've been doing a lot of embroidery, and so I know a lot of y'all are new here pretty recently because of my embroidery 101 video and my tutorials, and I just think that's really special because for those of y'all who are pretty new to my channel, or even I guess I've never really talked about this, but I started my Instagram and my whole like internet presence with drawing and art. I did a lot of drawing in high school and I posted a lot of my artwork on my Instagram. It's honestly really cool to see it come full circle and to see that you guys really care about art and passions and stuff that I'm into, and so it's really special that I get to share what I genuinely love with y'all here on my channel. Art has always been a really big part of my life. I went to college for graphic design, and so art and design and photography and all of that creative visual stuff has always been super important to me and just a huge part of my life, and so it means so much to me that I get to share that with y'all now. And thank you for being a part of just who I am. I feel like this channel has become a space where I just share what I love. It's always been about what I love and what I'm into and just the season of life that I'm in, and I've always shared my truest self with y'all, and so it just means so much to me that you guys have joined me on my YouTube journey, aka kind of my life. I feel like we've become friends over the last couple of years, and if you are new here, I feel like we will become great friends as I continue. But like I said, I feel like we've been through kind of a lot together. I talked about my alopecia and my hair loss. I've gone through loneliness and talked to y'all about that. I've talked to y'all about my faith a little bit, and I've talked to you guys about finances and getting married and all that stuff. So I really do feel like we have just spent the last couple of years together, and those last couple of years have actually been really formative years of my life, and so I just wanted to take this time to say thank you for subscribing and being a part of our lives. And to say thank you, I just wanted to do a giveaway for y'all here on YouTube and on my Instagram. I know some of y'all don't have Instagram, so I wanted to make this open to both platforms so you can either enter one or both. For the Instagram giveaway, I'm gonna be giving away an embroidery set, so that is the embroidery box, the scissors. I'm gonna be giving away my favorite sketching books and my bullet journal, thread, hoops, needles, everything that you need to get started with embroidery. I'm going to be hosting that giveaway over on my Instagram, so be sure to head over to my Instagram to see how to enter that. You'll see this lovely post right here. You'll enter on that post. That post will have all of the instructions on how to enter. And then for this YouTube giveaway, I wanted to give you guys an option. So the winner will receive either the embroidery set, everything listed on the Instagram, all of the supplies that you need to get started, or you will have the option to choose $100 in Glossier products that I will ship to you. So if you choose the Glossier prize, you can pick out your shades, which products you want. I'll be sure to email you. But basically how you'll enter this YouTube giveaway is you will leave me a comment down below just letting me know where you're from. I would love to know where you're watching from. I think it's so cool knowing where you guys are from because it just blows my mind that you guys are all over the world and watching my videos. So leave me a comment down below letting me know where you're watching from. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and then go to the description box and click the link that says enter the YouTube giveaway. That's gonna take you to a form that you can fill out with your contact information so that I can contact you if you win. I don't want you guys to have to put your contact information in the comments. Please do not put phone numbers or emails down there. So click the link in the description box to make sure that I have your contact info, and then I will be contacting the giveaway winners in a week from today's video. So I am seriously so excited. You guys know I love embroidery and I love Glossier. So the Instagram giveaway is embroidery and then the YouTube giveaway is either embroidery or Glossier. The winner will get to choose. And also when you comment where you're from, if you want to include when you subscribed to my channel, that would be really special as well. I would love to know when you join me here on my channel, but that is basically how you can enter the two giveaways. Thank you again, seriously, so much for subscribing and being a part of my daily life. I'm gonna have a thrift video going live next that was supposed to go live today, but I just had to do this giveaway because I have been counting down the days to 50,000. I honestly thought that I was gonna hit 50,000 in like December, hopefully. Like I was hoping I would hit 50,000 this year. You guys made it happen so much sooner. I'm seriously blown away. Thank you guys for subscribing, being a part of my channel. If you are new here and you would like to enter the giveaway and stick around, be sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!